May 8, 2026. The primary operational concern today is a corridor of organized convection from North Texas through Oklahoma into the Ozarks, while a broad trough over the eastern half of the country continues to drive low ceilings, embedded rain bands, and turbulence from the Appalachians into the northeast corridor. Crews moving through DFW, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and later St. Louis and Kansas City should anticipate convective reroutes developing near a sharpening frontal boundary this afternoon, with additional impacts tied to gusty post-frontal winds and widespread cloud cover farther east. Out west, the pattern remains split between residual mountain weather in the central Rockies and generally stable marine-influenced conditions along the Pacific coast. Along the west coast, the main aviation issue remains low marine stratus and coastal IFR around the Southern California Bight and portions of the Bay Area during the morning hours, especially into LAX, SAN, SFO, and Monterey Bay terminals before gradual inland clearing. The Pacific Northwest stays comparatively quiet under weak ridging, though localized mountain obscuration and light chop continue near the Cascades and Northern Rockies as colder air aloft rotates through the departing trough. Across Colorado and Wyoming, lingering wraparound moisture behind the earlier system continues producing snow showers and terrain obscuration over higher elevations, with occasional moderate turbulence and icing still possible above the Front Range and Central Rockies. Denver improves compared to prior days, but crews should still expect unstable post-frontal conditions west of the terminal corridor and wave activity downwind of terrain. Farther south through Arizona and New Mexico, heating and residual upper-level energy support, isolated high-based convection this afternoon with localized virga, erratic outflow winds, and moderate mechanical turbulence near the Mogollon Rim and Albuquerque corridor. The Central Plains become the primary convective focus by midday into evening as a cold front settles southward into a moist, unstable air mass pulled from North Texas through eastern Oklahoma and southeast Kansas. Initial storm development near the boundary may evolve into supercells capable of large hail and strong outflow winds before clustering grows upscale tonight. DFW sits near the southern edge of the stronger forcing, but north flow arrivals and departures should still anticipate deviations around developing cells and rapidly shifting surface winds. The Ozarks into Missouri remain under broader cloud cover and scattered convection, limiting instability somewhat, but embedded thunderstorms and layered ceilings will still create periodic routing inefficiencies around Kansas City and St. Louis. Across the Midwest and Great Lakes, cooler cyclonic flow behind the front maintains widespread stratocube, gusty west-northwest winds, and areas of light rain from Chicago through Cleveland and western Pennsylvania. Moderate low-level turbulence remains likely below 10,000 feet in the tighter pressure gradient. Through the northeast and mid-Atlantic, the departing upper trough continues to wrap moisture into New York and New England, with occasional MVFR ceilings, wet runways, and reduced visibility and passing showers around Boston, New York, Philadelphia, and Washington centers. Conditions gradually improve southward into the Carolinas and much of Florida, where the atmosphere stabilizes behind the front, though scattered sea breeze convection and afternoon buildups remain possible near the peninsula, interior, and Gulf Coast. That's the National Aviation weather picture for today. If this briefing helps your flight planning, consider subscribing for the daily operational outlook. Have the best flight, and we'll see you tomorrow.